Namaste everyone, I'm your co-host Shawnee ma'am. Welcome to your favorite learning channel. The topic for today's video is reproduction in plants overview. So in our previous video we learned about reproduction. We now know that reproduction is a biological process in which an organism produces its offsprings, and by this method of reproduction the process of continuity of generation is maintained. Okay, so this we have already learned in our previous video, and we also know that reproduction is one of the major characteristic features of living organisms. So plant reproduction is what happens during plant reproduction. So plant reproduction is the production of new plants, right? It is the production of new plants or new offsprings which can be accomplished by sexual method of reproduction or asexual method or mode of reproduction. We know that in sexual reproduction two parents are involved, male and female, whereas in asexual mode of reproduction only one parent is involved. So let's see what is the overview of plant reproduction. So here if we say it is plant reproduction, we can say that plant reproduction takes place by two means. One is asexual reproduction taking place in plants. This is also known as vegetative propagation. Okay, then the second method of reproduction is sexual reproduction. Okay, so then if we consider asexual reproduction method in plants, this asexual reproduction can be of two types, or by two methods this asexual reproduction can occur in plants. One is by natural method and the other one is by artificial method. Okay, so now if we consider natural method of asexual reproduction in plants, the natural methods can include reproduction by roots, by stem and by leaf. Okay, now this asexual natural method of reproduction in plant that is taking place by stem can again be of three forms. It can take place by the help of bulb, or it can take place by the help of tuber, or it can take place by the help of runner. Now this was about the asexual natural type of reproduction, and this is specifically from stem. There are three types in which reproduction can take place. Then now if we consider the asexual reproduction that is taking place by artificial means, there could be different methods. So one is by cutting, the next one would be by grafting, then the other method would be by budding, and one more is by layering. So these techniques are artificial techniques of asexual reproduction that takes place in plants. Now this was about the asexual reproduction part in the plants, whereas now if we talk about sexual reproduction, then sexual reproduction can occur by means of fruits and seeds. Okay, so now let's quickly revise the things we have studied. We studied that what is plant reproduction. So plant reproduction involves the production of new plants, that is production of new offsprings of plants, and this is accomplished by either sexual or asexual mode of reproduction. So plant reproduction is taking place by asexual method or sexual method of reproduction. So asexual reproduction can also be called as vegetative propagation in case of plants. So this vegetative propagation or asexual reproduction in plants can occur by natural means or by artificial means. So if it's occurring by natural means, it can occur by the help of root, stem and leaves. Now if the natural process of vegetative propagation in plants which is occurring from stem, it can occur by these three means, that is by the means of bulb, tuber or runner. Now if we talk about the artificial means of vegetative propagation or asexual reproduction in plants, it can occur by four means, that is by cutting, by grafting, by budding and by layering. So this is about the asexual or vegetative propagation part that can take place in plants. Now if we talk about the sexual reproduction method that occurs in plants, this method of sexual reproduction takes place by the help of fruits and seeds. Okay, so this is an overview of plant reproduction. Okay, now in our next videos we will be discussing about each of the methods separately and know that how these methods help in producing or help in the production of new plants. Okay, so I hope you all would have got some great insights by watching today's video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Till then, thank you for watching.